Yo, I don't know what she's screaming right there. I don't know what she's screaming, but I want to see a motherfucking fight. You want your own face. If you want your own face custom made by this dude, if you can't let go of, you know, your ex-boyfriend, you can make a face out of him. Look at that. So, wow. Hoi An is some next place. It's some next place right now. I can't imagine. Oh man, this is. They have spas, massages, coffee shops. They have the boat rides. Like, wow. This is your boy Phi from Phi-nex TV, and today I'm gonna take you on an adventure in everybody. So I take back that 8.5 or 9 out of 10 that I said for this hotel. And the only reason why is I think it's Asian people in general. When you're sleeping, you can hear everybody outside the door just yapping. And they just like, and then at the very end of their sentence, they kick over something or they fall over something. Like, like that shit. I was sleeping at around 6 a.m. That's all I hear. That's literally all I hear. And the little kids are like, it's not soundproof. You can hear everything outside. You hear everything outside. Shit's annoying. I woke up many times. But now, let's check out the pre-breakfast in the hotel. All right, everybody. This is the free breakfast area. And it looks like there's no people here. So beginning with here, there's an omelet station. Yes, and a waffle station, egg and waffle station. Over here, it looks like some sort of soup, probably like sour soup. And then there's sweet potatoes and sticky rice with beans. And some shrimp roll dumplings, sweet potato. And then over here, we've got some sausage. Basically, it's hot dogs, it's not sausage. And some bacon. Then you have some sauteed potatoes and some tomatoes, which I never eat in the morning. Then you got the boiled egg with the steamed vegetables, which looks like it was frozen. Which is, this congee? Yeah, it is congee. What's this? This is another type of soup, a vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. Kind of like curry chicken, kind of like curry chicken. Over here you got spaghetti and tomato sauce. Then over here you have fried rice. Oh yes, yes, they have jam now, but they do not have peanut butter. Where's my peanut butter? Where's my peanut butter? What's up, everybody? This is your boy Phi from Phi-nex TV, and today I'm gonna take you through Old Quarter of not Hanoi, my bad. I'm gonna take you through the Old Quarter of Hoi An, Vietnam. And yes, it is raining. It is raining. So let me show you what Hoi An is all about. It is famous for the aesthetics, the vibes, and also custom tailored suits, as well as leather goods. If you want custom made leather, if you want leather belt, if you want leather bags, you can custom make it. Your leather shoes, leather sandals, you can make it. If you want custom tailored suits, tux, dresses, Hoi An is the place. So basically, if you want anything custom made, Hoi An is the place. And also, if you want to take some photos, nice aesthetic scenery, this is also the perfect place for you to do that. There's a lot of people who take wedding photos here because it is very gorgeous, and let me show you. Rather than me saying stuff, let me show you. Today, I'll guide you through Hoi An's Old Quarter using this tourist map, so feel free to pause and save it for your next visit. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit subscribe, like, so I can give you more content. As you can see, Old Quarter, it looks like this. Timeless architecture, as well as local street food. Local street food, this is the Vietnamese pizza, which is basically bun jang, nu, Vietnamese rice paper, and it has like all these ingredients on it, and kind of like a Vietnamese crepe slash okonomiyaki type of things. But I'm not hungry right now. See, these are the type of custom-made goods you can get if you want your own face. If you want your own face custom-made by this dude, if you can't let go of, you know, your ex-boyfriend, you can make a face out of him. So, over here, more souvenirs. You can get clothing here. You can get Patagonia. Now, I can't confirm the legitimacy of that, but I know that if you want leather goods custom, this is where you get them. This is where you get them. So over here in Hoi An, you can see a gazillion stores just like this, where they have dresses and suits. Anywhere you see where they have suits like this, it means they're tailored. So anything is custom made. And over here, you can also see leather. Everything leather everywhere. Yeah, and it goes down for like roads on roads. But this is just one prime example of what kind of like custom you see over there, all the way in there. If I step in, I'm gonna get like 50 workers asking me to buy stuff, which I already did. So yeah, custom made suits here. Here's another example of another tailor. This is more catered to women right here. And then on the opposite side, another custom tailor, Lucy, you know? Yeah. And then across from that is another leather shop. And then over here in the center is another tailoring shop. And then the one beside it is another custom suit shop. So as you can tell, and an assortment of bags. And this place becomes a night market in the nighttime. So definitely, you already know just by me browsing a little bit, there's a similar pattern. All the way down there is more tailoring shops. You can even see the bags down there. And over here, you know. So if you don't like one design, hop over to the next store. Hop over to the next store. And I promise you, they're not related. Like, they look like they have the same things, but it's not like they have the same owner. It might be friends, but definitely, when it comes to getting your custom goods, you can negotiate and bargain your own price, for sure. If you're into the whole Kyoto scene, this is very resembling. Is that proper grammar? Probably not, but this is very similar to Kyoto. Very nice type of feel. The awnings are very similar to Kyoto. Reminds me of that a lot, actually. Coffee shops, yes. If you do not want to get any custom stuff, you can just sit and enjoy the view. It's the Hoi An River. As you can see, it's quite different and very quiet in the morning or afternoon, I should say. This is all the boats that is going to be doing the lantern run later on. We can do it now, but it's not nighttime, it's not that pretty. So you're gonna have a private boat. This is a bigger boat. This is for many people right here. There's also, if you have a larger party, it can accommodate to you. And if you want a smaller boat, there's way smaller boats for 1-2 people, which is kind of like canoes, but like a little bit bigger than the canoes. This is a huge boat. This is going to change in about 5 seconds. As you can see here, Hoi An is completely different than Ho Chi Minh City and Da Nang. Aesthetically, it's just more pleasing to the eye than every other part of Vietnam. Now, not to say that it's not aesthetically pleasing at all, but this you get a old quarters type of like architecture. At the same time, you get a little bit of modernness as well. I am going to take you through Hoi An's most famous attraction, which is the Red Lantern boat ride. Well, not really red, it can be any color you want. Red, yellow, green, pink, any color you want. You see those? That is colored lanterns. So every weekend or so, I think it's an everyday attraction, I'm not really sure, but you're allowed to buy tickets, which is about 150,000 in Vietnam, which equates to about like $12–13 Canadian, in order to ride the boat and across the Hoi An River. And yeah, you get to enjoy all the festivities, because Hoi An, so far, I've just got here for 1 day, is an extremely aesthetically pleasing place to look at, because honestly, it's nothing like Ho Chi Minh, it's nothing like Da Nang, it's nothing like, yeah, it's definitely, as you can see, there's so many things to see and do. It's not like the Las Vegas of Asia or Vietnam, but it's like, oh, I can't. Here, let me show you. Wow, as you guys can see, look at the busyness right now. Look at that. So, wow, Hoi An is some next place. It's some next place right now. I can't imagine. Oh man, they have spas, massages, coffee shops. They have the boat rides. Like, wow. This street goes on 2 long roads. Definitely, it does not get boring. But this is what I was talking about. You can buy a 20-minute boat ride. You can probably negotiate for more if you really want to. And you go over here, lantern boat ride, and you ride. You ride all the way there and all the way back for 20 minutes. You can float around. But definitely, this is a sight to see. This is very nice. And then you have a golden lit bridge right here, and it extends all the way down there as well. Let me zoom in a little bit for y'all, okay? Very, very nice. Now, you're probably asking me, Phi, are you gonna go on? Heck yeah, oh yeah. Of course I'm gonna go on. This is my people. This is my people here. So definitely, I am gonna grab some bingsu or probably some sort of like dessert, bring on the boat, and I'm gonna eat it while taking you around. So again, like I said, it's very affordable. It's about 150 Viet Dong for 1 to 2 people, and I think it goes more to 280 or something for 5 to 6 people. But yeah, this is definitely a nice place to visit, and you can't go underneath this with the boat. So it has to be on this side of the bridge, or it has to be on that side of the bridge. So it's definitely, you know, I don't know if it's this easy. You can just get on like this, but like maybe, we'll find out. Boat ride is very, very lively right now. People are jumping on, people are like trying to fight for lines to get on the boat. It is something spectacular. And it's like, the lights are like so nice. The lighting is so nice. Like, I don't even know what they have in there. Probably just more like massages, restaurants, spas. Like if you want to have a nice view and have a foot rub in front of the whole boat and having the whole lantern like ride, you can do it. You can do it. If you want a massage on the boat, you can probably get that too. But hey, this is Hoi An. Anything is possible. Oh, there's a lot of festivities happening on this side of the road. So you can tell that I just crossed the bridge from that side over to this side, and over here is a totally different atmosphere. Hoi An is very famous for their lanterns. And over here, you can hear people singing live music. There's a bunch of tourists. It's a very, very aesthetically pleasing place to take pictures. And you can have another romantic boat ride over here. And you can go eat food at the Morning Glory Signature. Anyways, yeah. I am gonna enjoy myself walking around for 2 to 3 hours. Let's see what this has to offer. But Jeez. So right now, I am enjoying my smoothie, mango coconut, because that's the combo. And basically, I'm enjoying this while I'm looking over everybody fighting for boat rides. Alright, as you can see right now, I'm on the boat. I am on the boat and view from the boat. And we're also going to light up the red lantern and we're gonna let it go in its natural habitat. Okay, so now we're taking this and we're gonna let it go. Photo. Wow, this is from the boat. The boat view is nice. It's a different type of feeling right here. Alright everyone, this is Phi from Phi-nex TV. I am on the Hoi An boat, and as you can see, the view is magnificent. We have our own private boat tour guide right now, who is actually an experienced director in the photography. So definitely, this right here, I'm gonna let it go. Okay, so this is traditional Hoi An, where you can rent a boat and you can light the red lantern, or in my case, the green lantern. And I'm going to set it out and then you get to see everything, okay? So hopefully I don't fail this because, you know, I don't want this to burn because it symbolizes good luck. Now it's on and I'm gonna push. Push, push, push. Yes. Oh no, if it comes back to me, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. I know this is 100% recyclable and biodegradable, so don't judge me on this, okay? 100% biodegradable. See, even he just washed his hands into the water right now. So that's our private boat tour guide. And then there's music over here as well. It's a very nice scenery. It's kind of like Vietnam's own version of the canals in Italy. And what do you think is better? I think Vietnam is better. Nice. I hope I don't body check this woman right here. All right, and that was all she wrote, and now I'm back. This was the boat. Oh, come on, man. This was the boat, and that was a magnificent ride. That was well worth the 20 minutes. Well worth the 20 minutes for 150,000 Vietnam. The lantern itself was only 10,000, which is basically 50 cents, honestly. And well worth it. All right, everyone, that was well worth it. 150 Viet Dong for 20-minute boat ride and only 10,000 Viet Dong for the red lantern, or any color you want, blue, green, red. Yeah, so right now I'm going into an alleyway, which I don't even know. I'm going to go get something to eat, but I want to let you know, if you're ever in Hoi An, you want to take a boat ride that is like Italy, but like the Italy canals, but way better, come to Hoi An. So there's always so many things to see. There's so many things to see. You know, it's like little alleyways where it's very trustworthy. It's very trustworthy, and you can find coffee shops, dinner places, romantic spots to go eat with your family as well. All right, this is Phi from Phi-nex TV, letting you know, subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think about Hoi An. If you've been here, let me know what your experience was, and if you haven't been here, why aren't you here? All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.